The variable speed switch in your cordless tool performs a couple of functions. First, it allows you to turn the tool on and off and adjust the motor speed. And second, it allows you to change the direction the motor rotates. Over time, the switch can wear out, either not turning on or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. Replacing the variable speed switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. Now I have access to the switch. I'll pull it away from the housing and remove the wires. I'll note the location of the wires before I remove them. Now I can install the new switch. First, I'll install the wiring harness. And then the large wires. And I'll place the switch back into the housing. As I do, I need to make sure that I align the selector with the reversing tab. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to replace the switch in your cordless drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up